Hi everyone. Last week I had this 10-word picture quiz and some of my followers asked me to pronounce the words instead. Today I'm gonna go ahead and pronounce the 10 words for you guys. Okay, let's go. Number one, garlic. Garlic. This is a two-syllable word with the stress on the first syllable and the I is pronounced short. You say eh and you pronounce garlic. Okay? Garlic. Ça c'est lie. If you eat garlic every day, what happens to your body? If you eat garlic every day, what happens to your body? Sou manje l'ail chaque jour, ça ka prive corps. Number two, parsley. Parsley. Ça c'est persil. It's still a two-syllable word with the stress on the first syllable and you say parsley. Okay? Parsley. Leek. Leek. This is just the long E sound. Wow. Number four, cabbage. Cabbage. This is a two-syllable word with the stress on the first syllable and you say cabbage. Cabbage. Ça c'est chou. For example, yesterday I bought some fresh cabbage from the local market. And number five, this is beet. Beet. Ça c'est betterave. Number six, cinnamon. Cinnamon. Okay, this is a three-syllable word with the stress on the first syllable and you say cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon. Ça c'est cannelle. Number seven, ginger. Ginger. Ça c'est gingembre. Number eight, we have gem. Gem. This is a short A and you make as in hat and you say gem. Gem. Number nine, we have peanut butter. Peanut butter. Even though you see butter, but when you have T between two vowel sounds, you make a flap T and you pronounce a little D. You say butter. Okay? This is the same with Peter, computer, etc. Peanut butter. Ça c'est mamba. And the very last one is shopping cart. Shopping cart. For example, when I go to the store, I use a shopping cart. When I go to the store, I use a shopping cart. Thank you everybody. C'était 10 mots. Mettez pour moi dans commentaire qui laisse ou ka prononcer pi bien qu'on y a après vidéo ça. Si vous faites tomber sous page ça, follow. Toujours quitte ton petit commentaire et puis partagez avec l'autre amis pour page là ka aller plus loin. Okay? Thank you everybody. My name is Reginald Ramirez. Bye.